today we are going to the circuit. It's a like MotoGP circuit in Lombok. We went a few days ago, but we're not allowed to go in. And today I think it's kind of like open for everybody on at 5:30. I think 5 or 5:30. It's open for everybody, so we're gonna go check it out. So finally I can go in to feel the circuit. I am actually excited to see it. So let's go. Terima kasih. Today's day is gonna open at 5 o'clock. Right now it's still like another 10 minutes. Kasih bang ya. 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 Oh, sana ya. Ya, kasih bang ya. So I'm finally into the circuit. There's so many people here. You see ya. Guys, look at the boys with ini motor apa sih? Oh, Vespa. Vespa beneran? Emang bisa masuk gigi?
Enggak, Vespa Matic.
Oh, Vespa Matic.
Vespa Matic ini, Pak.
Bro, this is actually the first time I saw this hike. It's Vespa, but it's the Matic version. Berarti yang buat siapa? Bukan Piaggio ya? Piaggio yang buat? Oh shit, it's actually from Piaggio. I never know they have this. Look at these sick boys. Yeah. So we are finally in, guys, but I think we're still waiting for them to start the schedule. They say it will be started at 5, but this is 5 past 10. I don't know what they're doing. The boys is going, so I think I'm just gonna follow them. So we are actually going now. Well, honestly, this is not what I expected, but yeah, it is what it is. As long as I can build the circuit. So we have to follow that guy in 60 kilometers per hour is the maximum. That's the speed limit. Finally, I'm here in the Mandalika Circuit, the MotoGP circuit. I have to touch just want to touch it. Look at this, the boys is lining up perfectly. This is the only different bike, but the rest is the same. This is actually the group name. That's so this is actually we can go one more round with the staff here. Just one more round and that's it. We're finished.
We actually arrived here first before it's raining. Now it's like big raining coming in. You can see it's dark everywhere now. I think we had enough photos. Yeah? I think we had enough photos.
Yeah,
So we had enough photos. So this is pretty good.
Quite experience in Circuit Mandalika, by the way.
Yeah.
So you guys from Australia or where else, come to Indonesia and feel the experience.
Well, we cannot actually racing here, but it's pretty good to just go around. The view around the circuit is actually beautiful, so it's worth to try. The boys is back. There you go.
Jangan lupa gitu.
Terima kasih bang.
Oke bang, thank you.
Thanks to this guy, our guide, the Mandalika Circuit guide. Terima kasih bang ya.
Oke bang, thank you.